Musical talent is a complex trait. It involves several components, like auditory perception, motor coordination, and creativity. It's what we call a polygenic trait, meaning it's influenced by many different genes, not just one or two. But the story doesn't end there. Environment and practice play crucial roles, too. So let's break this down. Even the brain plays a big role. The auditory cortex, motor cortex, and parts of the frontal lobe all contribute to musical skills. Isn't it amazing how interconnected these systems are? First, the genetics. Studies suggest that musical ability does have a hereditary component. Twin studies, for example, have shown that identical twins are more likely to share musical abilities compared to fraternal twins. Specific genes, like those associated with auditory perception and fine motor skills, may contribute to a predisposition for musical talent. But remember, a predisposition is not the same as destiny. Interestingly, research has also shown that families with multiple generations of musicians often share certain genetic markers. These might not make someone a virtuoso outright, but they can provide an edge in skills like pitch recognition or rhythm. Now let's talk about the environment. If you grow up in a home filled with music, you're more likely to develop musical skills. Why? Because of exposure, encouragement, and the opportunity to practice. Famous musical families, like the Bach family or the Jacksons, weren't just born with talent, they nurtured it through constant practice and a supportive environment. Environment doesn't just mean family. Think about access to instruments, music classes, or even cultural factors. Some societies have deeply rooted musical traditions that encourage early exposure to music. All of these play a role in shaping talent. So, is musical talent hereditary? The answer lies in the age-old debate of nature versus nurture. Your genes may provide the foundation, but your environment determines how far you can build on it. Think of it like a seed. Genes are the seed, and the environment is the sunlight, water, and care that help it grow. Studies have also shown that even people without a strong genetic predisposition can achieve high levels of musical skill through deliberate practice. So, while nature gives you a baseline, nurture can elevate you far beyond it. Here's the takeaway. While your DNA might give you a head start, the real magic of musical talent comes from dedication and practice. So whether you've got Mozart's genes or not, pick up that instrument, and don't stop playing.
Like and follow for more fascinating true genetic stories.